How to cancel Uber without getting charged. To cancel an Uber ride without incurring a cancellation fee, you may follow up these steps. So, open up the Uber application, launch the Uber application on your screen, and just go ahead and book up a ride. For that, once you are logged in, look out for the section called Enter Pickup Point. Tap on it. If you've not added a location, you'll be finding Pickup Point. But if you've already added, you'll be finding a Where to option. Just go ahead and enter up your pickup location and where to. And after that, you'll be finding this section. So what you can do is you can choose a trip. So you can select up your vehicle that you would like to use in order to book your trip. For example, UberX. After that, you can add up a payment method and tap on choose UberX. And once you do so, here you will be finding a confirm pickup option. Go ahead and look out for confirm pickup if you're okay with it. And once you do so, you will be finding the trip being confirmed. So you can just go ahead and confirm your trip. And once that is done, you will be finding a cancel trip option. Head over to the cancel option and find it up. And usually within 2 minutes after the driver accepts your request, you can just go and look out for the cancel option and click on yes cancel option. Confirm that you would like to cancel your ride for that particular option. And that way you can head over and cancel your ride without getting charged. Or what you can do is you can even go over to the customer service of Uber, go to the account tab for that. And once you hit over the account tab, go ahead and look out for section right here and look out for canceling your ride, something like that option within um, the Uber. And once you find it up, you can just go ahead and follow the process and cancel the Uber reservation that you would be having. And that's it. So that is how you cancel Uber ride without getting charged. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we'll be seeing you in another video.